Hi, my name is Lucas Iglesias, and I will be going over my user story in detail. My user story is, as a PI, I would like to view all proposals so I can accept, reject, and comment on them. I have three acceptance criteria. The first one is I can view a list of proposals. Next, I can accept or reject each proposal. And finally, I can make a comment on a proposal. My tasks to complete this user story were learn the mean stack, create UML diagrams, back-end development, front-end development, connect to Mongo database, testing and debugging, and finally, integrate with other group members. Now, the diagrams for my user story. For the use case diagram, we can see that the PI can view a list of proposals and then view an individual proposal. Next, we have the class diagram. For my user story, we use the project model. Specifically, we use the fields proj body, comment, which are strings, and status, which is a boolean. This is connected to project service, from which we use the functions all, get, and update. For controller, we use the project edit controller, and here we use the functions all and save update view. This brings us to our front end. We have the proposal feedback page, which displays the list of all proposals, and the proposal view page, which displays a single selected proposal. Finally, we have a sequence diagram. The PI chooses to display all proposals. We send a request to the database for that. We return all proposals and we display a list of them. We can choose to view an individual proposal. We send a request to the database for that. The database returns an individual proposal and we display that with its information. From there, we can choose to accept, reject, or comment on that proposal in the selected proposal page. We submit those changes to the database. Those changes are accepted. We go back to the proposal page and display the list of proposals with the changes reflected there. Looking at the code here, we have the project schema. The field proj stores the name of the project. Proj body stores the description of the project. Comment stores any comment left by the PI. And status stores the status of the project, whether it's been accepted or not. For our services, we use project service. We use the all function to get all projects. We use the get function to get an individual project. And we use the update function to update a project given an ID and some data. For the controller, we use the project edit controller, in which we use the get function to be able to access information of a project given the project ID. And we use the save update view function to be able to update our project once we have commented and accepted or rejected it. Going to the front end, we can see here that we display a table being populated by all the projects, and we have a button here that takes us to view a selected project. That will take us to the proposal view page, where we will display the project name, project description. We have a text box where we can add some comments. That will go into the comment section, and we can change the status from accepted or declined. Then we submit, and that calls the save update view function using ng-submit. A way to improve this user story would be to add a feature to be able to download a list of the submitted proposals in some format like PDF or spreadsheet, as well as being able to download the contents of an individual proposal.